Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video of rules of survival, how to fix your rules of survival lags, and it's gonna be really fixed. It's a brand new method. So before I start, like this video if this video helps, and subscribe for more updates, and let's get started. So this is the first thing I want to tell you is go to your Play Store, then search for ES File Explorer, or I'm gonna be leaving the link description below. So here's gonna be the link, I mean the app. Go download it and go for Game Tuner, download it too. So go home, then after that open up your ES File Explorer, and then open up, go to internal storage, then go for Android, and then go for the data, and then find a rules of survival folder. So it's gonna be here, files, NetEase, H45NA, documents, and go to the basic settings and open up with ES Note Editor. So press this edit button at the top, and then we're gonna be changing the avatar smooth factor to 1. Okay, this is gonna be 1. Okay, so I changed it already, that's why that's it. Okay, then go to graphics settings, open, okay, edit. We're gonna be changing this to 1 also. Okay, that's it. So after that, open up your game launcher or Game Tuner, then gonna pressing the rules of survival, and it's already boosted. So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoy, bye bye.